One planet rains glass at 9,000 kilometers an hour. One melts lead on its surface right now as you watch this. One rolls sideways through space like a bowling ball. 8 planets, 4 minutes, let's go. Mercury. First, Mercury, the solar system's speed demon, whipping around the sun in just 88 days. No atmosphere means nothing to hold the heat. Days hit 430 degrees Celsius. Nights crash to minus 180 degrees Celsius. 600 degrees of swing on the same world. And somehow, NASA found water ice hiding in its polar shadows. Mercury, extreme in every direction. Venus. Venus looks like Earth's twin. It is not. Its atmosphere is 96% CO2, so thick that surface pressure is 93 times what you feel right now. The temperature, 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The greenhouse effect ran wild here. Scientists think Venus once had oceans. Now it's the closest thing to hell in our solar system. And it spins backwards. The sun rises in the west. Venus, Earth's warning label. Earth. After Venus, home hits different. Liquid water, breathable air, a magnetic field blocking radiation. Everything alive that has ever existed lives in a razor-thin layer clinging to this spinning rock. We forget how miraculous that is. Earth, the miracle we take for granted. Mars. Mars was warm. Mars was wet. Something catastrophic happened, and we still don't know what. Today, it's cold and barren, but its surface holds the solar system's tallest volcano and longest canyon, ancient riverbeds carved by real water. Right now, Perseverance is collecting samples that might contain signs of ancient life. The answers could already be in a titanium tube on the surface. Mars, a cold case, still open. Jupiter. Cross the asteroid belt and scale breaks. Jupiter contains more mass than every other planet combined. Its great red spot is a storm that's been raging for over 350 years, wider than Earth itself. 95 moons orbit this giant. One of them, Europa, hides a liquid ocean under its ice. Where there's liquid water, there might be life. Jupiter, the king, and possibly hiding life in its shadow. Saturn. If Jupiter is the king, Saturn is the showstopper. Those rings stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers wide, yet are barely 100 meters thick in places, like a vinyl record around a planet. Its moon, Enceladus, shoots water geysers into space from a warm subsurface ocean. Titan has lakes, not of water, but of liquid methane. Saturn, the one that makes every astronomer gasp. Uranus. Uranus broke the rules. It spins on its side, 98 degrees tilted, meaning its poles get 42 years of sunlight, then 42 years of darkness. Something enormous hit it and knocked it over. We don't know what. We visited once in 1986 and never returned. Uranus, still waiting to be understood. Neptune. 8 billion kilometers from the sun. Sunlight takes 4 hours to get there, and yet Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, 2,100 kilometers an hour. Nobody knows where all that energy comes from. One spacecraft has ever visited. One. It flew past in 1989 and gave us everything we know. Neptune, the wild, barely explored edge of home. 8 planets, countless mysteries, and we've barely scratched the surface. Which planet do you think will shock us most in the next 20 years? Drop it in the comments. The best answers feature in our next video. Subscribe to Chiron. The universe gets stranger the further out you look.